I'll be showing you how you can post your videos the right way to get more views. Now, all this I'll be sharing with you in this video will be done right here in your mobile phone. Right now, there are a lot of things you have to pay attention to on YouTube while uploading your videos. Right now, if you don't get these things right, you might have the chances of getting fewer views on your videos. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can upload your videos on YouTube the right way using your mobile phone. Now, there are three most important things you need while uploading your video on YouTube. Number one, you need your YouTube app. Probably you are watching this video from YouTube. That means you already have the YouTube app. Then number two thing you need is your YouTube studio. Now the third thing you need is the video and the content. Now let me show you how you can upload your videos the right way on YouTube. Now this very method is the method I'm currently using to upload my videos on YouTube, and this method gets me more views and subscribers on all my videos. Right now, the first thing you have to do is to come to your YouTube app. Right, everyone have YouTube app on their phone. So once you are writing a YouTube app, there's a plus button down there below. As you can see, click on that plus button. Once you click on the plus button, you are going to see different varieties that are going to show you YouTube, short, live stream, or post. Right, so what you are going to click on is the video aspect, and we are going to be uploading this very video right here on this very channel. Right, so this is the video we are uploading. So you're going to click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to be showing you this very right here. Right now, make sure you follow me step by step, because this is where people get it wrong. The first thing you have to do is to put in your title. Right, I already have my title right here. Right now, as you can see, the best freelance platform to make money in 2025. Right now, what I advise is that you already have your title, your description. Then the next thing I'm going to put in is my description. I'm going to come here right now. Then just copy the description I've already labeled here. Just copy everything. I'm going to be showing you some key hidden features you have to use on this very app to make sure your videos get more views and subscribers. Right, this hidden settings is what I've used to blow up some of my videos, and many of them are still blowing up till today. So just copy this description right here. You come here, you paste your description right in this very place. So once you are done right here, and there's one thing you have to know when it comes to description. Your description must tally with your title, and you must relate what you are mentioning in the video on the description. Now this helps YouTube to know what video you are posting and exactly the audience to post it to. Let's imagine I'm posting a freelance video on how you can get started with freelancing, or the top freelance platform in Nigeria. I'll make sure these words are verbally noted in my video, and they are in my description, and also they are in my title. That way I'm telling YouTube this is the video I'm pushing out, and this is the kind of audience I'm targeting. Right, I believe that is noted. Right, so once you put your description right here, the next thing you have to put in is your visibility. Now this is very important, and this is where people get it wrong. Right, they set their visibility at public, and they just post it at public immediately. Now if you put your video at public at first, likely most videos don't get more views that way. Now putting this video as public at first, you are pushing your video out there without no knowledge of YouTube, and YouTube will not know the kind of audience that are interested in your video, and YouTube might likely post or push your videos to the wrong audience, and this audience might not be interested in your video, and that will send a bad signal to YouTube that this video is not interesting and people don't find this video appealing. That way your video get down the drain. Don't put your video at public at the first time you're uploading it. What I advise is that you put it on unlisted, and you can put it on private. Now as you can see right here, there are different options right there. There's public, there is set as instant premiere, there's members only. This is different from subscribers. Right, these are special offers for those who pay to access the premium membership in the channel. Right, these members have some special treatment. They have some privileges that the normal subscribers does not have. Right, now you have unlisted, you have private, and you have schedule. And the two options I use in this very place is unlisted and schedule. I don't even go public at first. Unlisted and schedule. When I'm editing my video, I leave my video on unlisted. I can allow YouTube download my video and know the details about the video and what the video is all about and the audience they want to push it to. So make sure you leave it on unlisted. You can also leave it on private, but I prefer unlisted. It's very important. Unlisted, they'll ask you your video, see if it's made for kids. No. Location, you can decide to put in your location you are shooting your video. Right, this location do helps in where YouTube will push your videos to. Right now, if you are in United States, you can put United States right here. YouTube will know that this video is coming from United States, and they will likely push this video to more US audiences. If you see a paid promotion, it's likely no. Just leave it that way. You don't have to just click that, except your video is a paid promotion, right? Is it an author content? No, right? You comment on, you have to leave it at on. Moderation is basic, right? Just leave this. You don't have any business with this. Once you are done with this, click on upload and your video will start uploading immediately, right? So let's wait and have our video upload right now on YouTube. Now our video is uploaded on YouTube, as you can see, best freelance platform to make money. Now the next thing to do is to go over to your YouTube studio. Now this is the time you need your YouTube studio, and this is the best part right here, because this is the time to do the finishing touch, and this is the time we move to our YouTube studio app. If you already downloaded your YouTube studio app, just go ahead and switch to your YouTube studio app. I'm right here right now. You have to click on the video you want to finish editing, right? So once we are here, the next thing we want to do is, first off, we want to turn on our monetization. Click on turn on, right? If your channel is not yet monetized, you are not going to be seeing this feature right here. But if your channel is monetized, you will be seeing this feature right here. Click it on. Then the next thing you want to do is to come and add your tags. This is the very important part. Now your tags are kind of a description. Now you have to add your tags. Now this will give YouTube more information about your video and what your video is all about, right? I believe you already have your tags ready. Come and start adding your tags. I'm going to add some tags right here. I have some tags right here. Right here, I've already had my tags, right? You can select the category of a video, right? This video is more for education video. If it's entertainment, film and animation, gaming, just select the category right here. This will tell YouTube more about your video, right? Once you are done with it, click on back. Now the next thing you are going to do, which is the most number one important thing, is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is what your viewers see before they can see the content you are putting down on YouTube, right? It's just like the face of your content. The face is what draws them into what is inside, right? The face is very important. Your thumbnail is very important. If you want to learn how you can create high cache thumbnail, do let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be doing a video on that, how I create my thumbnail that get more views and high click-through rate, and how you can replicate that for yourself, right? So just let me know in the comment section. Leave the question down in the comment section that you want me to create a video on how I create thumbnail, then I will do a video on that. So click on here, then you can choose from the thumbnail you have designed. Before we end this video, I'm going to be showing you some things YouTube do, or we should do ignore, that make our video don't get more views. Before we end this video, I'm going to be showing you that as a bonus part in this very video. So the next you have to do is to now put your videos on public, right? Before you put your video on public, make sure your video is already on YouTube for at least 12 hours. This can give you some time to download your video and know what the video is all about and the audience that needs your video. So after 12 hours, you can put it on public. But what I usually do is that I schedule my videos on a certain time when the video will be uploaded. That way, I also set it as premium so that the video will be on YouTube, but it won't be live yet. So I put that premium, then I have to set the date and the time I want to create this video. Let me just put this time right here. You can put at any time your audience are mostly active. So I just put it at 12 a.m. right? Then I'm going to click on save. Your video is going to be going live, right? Or your video is going to be scheduled for a certain times. Now, here's the thing you have to pay attention to when your video is live on YouTube. Now, when your video go live on YouTube, you have to pay attention to the video performance. This is very important. Now, when your video go live, there are some things that pop up down on your videos, right? Which is ranked by views, impression click-through rate, and average view duration. Now, the most important thing right here is the impression click-through rate. As you can see right here, as you can see, the impression click-through rate on this video is 16.2%, right? And you can see YouTube, if you click on this very icon right here, right now, YouTube is saying, well done, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more than often, right? YouTube is telling you that this video is getting more clicks because the thumbnail is caching and the content is valuable, right? Now, this is the what you have to pay attention to, because YouTube push your videos mostly through this impression click-through rate and average view duration. As you can see, average view duration right here is 1 minute 43 seconds. Now, these two things is what YouTube use to mostly push your videos. Now, how do you know YouTube push your videos? You have to know this, right? It's very important. Now, this is how you know YouTube push your videos, right? Via their recommendation, right? Now, if YouTube recommend your videos more often, that means your video is doing very well. But if your videos is getting more views from external source, that means there is problem somewhere, right? If YouTube is recommending your videos on browse features, as you can see right here, browse features on this video right here is 80%. That means 80% of this video is pushed down the YouTube browse page, which is the home page of YouTube, right? Now, number two features, if you know that YouTube is pushing your videos, is that suggested video. Now, if YouTube is suggesting your video along with other content, that's a good sign that your video is doing very well. Now, this is how you can publish your video the right way, just using your mobile phone on YouTube. I know this video was kind of valuable to you. If it was, please don't deny me the access of liking this video, subscribing to this video especially, because more videos will be coming your way very shortly, and sharing it to your friends and family out there. Now, if you want me to create videos on how I create my special thumbnails that get more views, let me know in the comment section. Now, if you want to learn how you can create a well optimized and a fully functional YouTube channel, I have a complete walkthrough video. You will see that right here, right now. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.